Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your credit card on First Abu Dhabi or FAB Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bankfab.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for First Abu Dhabi Bank. Now from the homepage, click on the login button at the top right corner and then choose your appropriate login portal. You will then be asked to enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in the username that you have set up while creating your account within the username box and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your FAB bank account. Once you are logged in, you can simply hover over to the card section and then you will find the option to cancel your credit card. If you don't find this option, click on customer care at the top right corner alongside login, and now you will see the various phone numbers that you can use in order to contact the customer care team. You can simply call them and let them know that you wish to cancel your credit card, and they will be happy to assist you and provide the steps that you can follow in order to get it cancelled. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to cancel your credit card on First Abu Dhabi Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.